It's breakfast time in the LBB house, and today, Ollie is helping to cook. Mummy helps to tie Ollie's apron nice and tight. There! Now Ollie is ready to help cook a big breakfast. Now, what should Mummy cook for breakfast? Banana chocolate pancakes! Yummy! Step 1. Measure and pour the mixture into a bowl. Step 2. Mix it with a whisk. Step 3. Fry the mix in a pan. Step 4. Time to eat the pancakes. Add bananas and chocolate sauce to make it extra yummy. Ollie loves pancakes. They're so sweet and tasty. The bananas and chocolate sauce make it very special. Now, it's time for Ollie to learn how to make pancakes for himself. Ollie uses the whisk to mix it all up. It's a messy job, but Ollie really enjoys it. Now Mummy teaches Ollie how to use the frying pan safely. Mia is so proud of her little brother. Finished! Another fresh stack of yummy pancakes. Mia and Ollie did so well helping Mummy cook. Now it's time for Mummy to eat some pancakes too. It's so much fun to make breakfast together.